Can we personalize a YETI or other stainless steel drinkware with the Genmitsu Kiosk laser? As you can see, I have raised the carriage, giving us extra room. So now I will take my stainless steel cup and place it underneath the laser head. And I'll try and get it centered on that platform. You don't have to get too fancy. I've just got a couple of blocks helping me hold it steady. And once I have it where I want it, I will lower the protective shield. Don't forget to lower the focusing rod and make sure that you're not any closer than the distance of that rod from the top of your drinkware. With that, now we are ready to close the protective laser shield. Now you can drive the Genmitsu laser from a PC, but for this quick demonstration, I'm just using the mobile app, and I've got the speed set to 3,000 millimeters per minute and the laser power at around 60%. I don't know how much simpler it could get. The software is easy to use. Once you have everything set up the way you want, you can go ahead and start engraving with the laser. The app will tell you the percentage completion, but it will also stop as soon as it's completed your design. As soon as it's done, you can pull out your YETI or drinkware with your new design engraved on it. You can see this looks a little dirty, but really that's just a little residue from the laser. With a little isopropyl alcohol and a cloth, you can wipe that dust off and you've got a nice looking new design. So there you have it. The Genmitsu Kiosk laser makes personalizing your drinkware or YETI cups super easy. The software is easy to drive from a PC or your mobile phone, and I'll put more information in the description. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.